Good morning, students. Today we're going to focus on finding the total surface area and the lateral surface area of 3D prisms. Let's start off with a set of notes. Let's go ahead and write this at the very top of our worksheet. The total surface area is the sum of area of all faces and bases. It's going to be the sum of area of all the faces and bases. The lateral surface area is the sum of area of bases, not including the base. Okay, so make sure you write this down in your notes. Now go ahead and grab a highlighter or a marker, and I would like you to highlight the lateral surface area. So the lateral surface area would just be, again, the sum of all the faces, not including the base. Now let's go ahead and highlight the total surface area. Here, the total surface area would be all of the faces, including your bases. Okay. So next, let's go ahead and look at this 3D figure here. Right here we have a square pyramid, and I would like you to fill in the base. The base is right here at the bottom. Okay. The next object, again, I would like you to go ahead and write the word base. And let's go to the next object. We have a rectangular prism. And here I would like you to identify the base. So here we have the bases. And if you were to put this net together, this is how it would appear as a rectangular prism. And go ahead and label the base. So our first question is, how many bases does a pyramid have? This pyramid only has one base. And how many bases does a prism have? As you can see, we have two bases right here. So let's go ahead and write the number 2. Next, describe the difference between a pyramid and prism in your own words. Okay, here's an example. Prisms have 2 congruent bases, and pyramids only have 1 base. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and do the first example together. I would like you to find the total surface area of this figure below. Okay, so here we have a square pyramid. The net of a square pyramid is shown below. What is the total surface area of the pyramid? So I would like you to first, when you show your work, always include the formula. So let's find out the area of the triangle first. So here, again, the formula is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so here our base is 3 centimeters, and our height is 2 centimeters. Okay, well, what is 3 times 2? 6. And what is 6 times 1/2? It's 3 centimeters squared. Next, let's go ahead and find the area of the square. So again, you start down by writing your formula first. Area equals to side squared, or you can see it as length times width, which is 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? 9 centimeters squared. Okay, so now to find our total surface area, you need to add all of the faces, including the base. So how many triangles do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and get the area of the triangle times 4. And let's add the area of the square. Why we only have 1 square base here. So what is 3 times 4? 12. Plus 9 is 21 centimeters squared. So your total surface area here is 21 centimeters squared. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Okay, so look at the net below. What is the lateral surface area in square inches of the figure formed by the net? So now we need to find the lateral surface area. So that means we just need to find the area of these 4 triangles and add them up. We don't include the base. So I color code my notes for you all so you can have a better picture. Let's first go ahead and calculate the area of the first triangle here. So again, you always start by writing your formula. 1/2 times base times height. What is our base here? 6. And what is our height? 4. What is 6 times 4? 24. Times 1/2 is 12 inches squared. If you notice, this triangle, the measurements are the same as this triangle. Next, let's find the area of these two triangles right here. Okay, so again, you always start by writing your formula, 1/2 times base times height. Well, what is our base here? 4 inches. And what is our height? 5 inches. Let's go ahead and multiply. 4 times 5 is 20, times 1/2 is 10 inches squared. Now we can find our lateral surface area by adding the area of our triangles. Okay, so we're going to add 12 plus 12, okay, plus 10 to get our total lateral surface area. 12 plus 10 plus 10 is 44 inches squared. Okay, so I want you to use the same process for the other problems as well. If you have any questions, please send me a message and I'll be available to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.